Okay. So what you need to do first is squidge the icing back and forth so it gets softer. Can you do that for me? Squidgy, squidgy, squidgy.
I'm gonna try it. Is it candy icing?
So this is gonna be our yard. So the very first thing we do is we put icing all in here so that we can put the walls. So
Can you unscrew for
I
me?
can unscrew for you. I'll do the first one and then you can do the second one, okay? So we're gonna put icing all in the space. Ah, there's a hole in our icing. All right, you do that side and that side.
Yeah, you would add that one to the house just to see the
So we're gonna put, these are the outsides, the front, the long pieces. Uh-oh. That's okay. These are the short pieces. And we put them together. And then we use the icing to make them all smushed together.
We have a hole in our...
Mommy's terrible at this. I'm glad you guys are enjoying it because Mommy is obviously not built for the construction industry.
Let's cook. I want to cook.
What are you doing on it? No, ma'am. No. Hey, can somebody come grab the baby? Icing failure. Ow, my goodness. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, 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 no.
What are you doing?
Trying to get the cookies.
Yum, yum, yum.
No, no, no. Don't eat the cookies, buddy. We have to decorate the house first.
Just watch.
It's so weak.
I just use my fingers. No, 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 no. Just don't eat the cookies.
Door.
Yep, that's the door.
Punch through the door.
So we're going to try to attach our roof back on. We'll see how that goes.
With the icing.
With the icing, yeah.
With the icing. It sticks.
With this, you don't have enough on here. It's not between the two.
Better. Cookies.
All right, all right.
Cookies. Cookies.
I was expecting this to go.
Mommy.
How can you see what you're doing?
Touch the screen. It'll turn back on.
So the icing. We're gonna just eat the cookies.
Yeah, we're just going to eat the cookies. Go ahead. We are terrible construction people.
Look at her.
But we are fantastic cookie eaters. High five.
Hey, you want the little one?
Well, what do you think about your first gingerbread house experience?
Good.
Good. Ah.
I have a gingerbread cookie sandwich.
Yes, you do have a gingerbread cookie sandwich. Okay. I love you.
Yummy.